Hello, lovelies! Welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. For today's video, I'm going to do the butterfly saving challenge. And before I start, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on my next video. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe and help me and help my channel grow. I've been missing doing this one, and I apologize for all the waiting and asking me why I didn't film it, because yes, I'm so stressed at work, and so and my brain works overtime, really just a roller coaster ride. My brain is working very bad this past 2 weeks. So anyway, thank you so much for all of you who motivates me and inspire me, or still tagging me on mentioning me on their videos. Thank you so much. I cannot point out which one of you, but thank you. Thank you so much. And let's start with this one. So for this one, it's a group play from, this challenge is from Bay of the Budgeting Butterfly. And we have a group play of this one with Codeville, Tina, and Life. For now, I just saw two channels that is doing this one. But let me tag it on the description box. So I already missed 3 weeks of this one. So for the second week, it's envelope number 4. So let's look at this one. Oh, I have forgot to count the money. So how much I will put on this challenge is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, and it needs some change. So let's change first. Let's change $20. See, my coins now here is getting more less and less and less. Yeah, because I keep on changing it, and so that I can reallocate it in my other binders. Let's see. So so how much? Number 4. Where is it? 4. Here. Nice, right? Blue. Wow. Let's put it right here and mark it X. So this challenge is sent me by my email, through my email, and I just print it and laminate it. I printed a smaller version because this one is of A6 size, but I make it a little bit smaller. So next one, so this is done. This is done. 1. I think it's the green one. Yeah, this one. So $1. Oh, this $1. It's done. Yee. Next one. So next one is 13. 13. Where is it? Ha. 12. Yeah, 13. Wow. See? Different color butterflies. So 13. Here I come. So this challenge is allocated. So let's start with this one now. So ding 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 done. So Butterflorific is from Bay also of Budgeting Butterfly. So I want to finish this. Let me get my scratcher. Let's do this one. So 1, and this 9. So total of $10. Yay! I finished this. And let's ring the bell. It's not it. It's not this one. Okay, let me do it. So here's the bell. Finish it. Bang, bang, bang. So let's get $10. And let's finish it. Put it aside. And let's get some change. Change. So this sub challenge is finished. So how much? It's $53. Way. $53 finish. Let's put it on my accordion binder. One challenge done. Next. This one is my saving challenge that you can see on my description box. It's a freebie. And let's finish this. So I only need 5, 10, 15. So $15. And let's grab here $5. And put 20. So it's the total amount of this one is 100. Another challenge done. Yay! One, two. So if you want to get this saving challenge, I'll put on my description box. It's on my Google Drive. So this one is another. So 2 challenge done. And put additional of $2 in the ding 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 ding. Ding 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 challenge. And then this one is another challenge that I created. It's a bunch this together with the summer one that I show you before this one. So how much? $5. So let's just put 5. One only at the moment. Let's just put 5. Why not, right? And this one is from Rock's Budgets that I purchased. Actually, this is not the only one. It double sent it to me because the first one, it takes a while, and I messaged Rox, and then she sent me another one which is I already received, and that one maybe I haven't decided what to do about that one. Let me reach 500 subscribers first, and then maybe that is one of the giveaway. So let's scratch this. Which one? How many I need to scratch, or which one? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So scratch this. 6. One more. 2, 1, 2. 5. 11. So let's stop here. 11. Maybe one more. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 13. So I have 20 here. So let's need to change again. This is why I didn't close this. So $10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So $13. So let's put 23 and get the change of $10. So now it's how much? 5, 10, 24. So that's correct, 24. Next one. This is my saving challenge, and this is a spicy saving challenge that I made. Let's see which one. Last time I scratched this. It's a double challenge, double purpose. You can do the butterfly as certain amount, and you can also scratch this one. So it's a double purpose one. So for now, let's do the scratch off sticker first, and then I will do the butterfly later on. So let's see. One here. Oh, $30 is, I told you this is a big one. So if I'm doing a low income, I will just do three, or I'll just do two, but it's okay. I will do $30 here. Still have money there. So 30. Oh, $20 left. It's messy now. I don't have my... Next one is a tiny... This is from Tiny Budget Co. Let's see how many you can do. Five. Five. $5. What I do this one last time. So five. Let's one more. Three. So eight. $8. One more. Six. $14. Six. So six. $14. Watch. 9, 10, 14. $14 give me $6. We have $14 there. So total of 21 now. That's correct. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 plus 4. Yeah, 21. This from Tiny Budget Co. This one is saving 500 as well. So which number is, so if I roll 6, I will use the 10. So 4, there's no 4. 3 already. So 2, no. 4, 5. 4 again. 1. So all the ones. 1. What color is 1? I think purple. 1 is purple. Let's see. How many ones here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much left? $7. Let's get 5. So I still have $7. So where to put this $7? Let's see. Let's scratch this also. I'll just need to guess. Just guess here. So 2. And here. I'm just guessing. 3. And here. 3. I just get $1 from my coin purse. Okay, I didn't finish. I'll just clean this later on after this video. So that's it for now. This saving challenge is done for the week. And I will see you next week for this saving challenge. And hopefully I can finish more. But for now, I finish. How many? 2, right? Let's see. 1 and 2. Yay! So wait for my video for counting my coins, which is maybe soon. And I will reallocate this later on. So if you happen to finish this video, please like, comment, subscribe, or hit the notification bell. Please comment so I know which one of you watch this video so I can watch your videos too. So thank you very much, lovelies. Bye for now and see you later. God bless you all. Be humble and grateful.